You're welcome, 小姐姐。
好吃，好吃。
Hello everyone, I'm Molly and welcome back. Today we will be discussing the Mid-Autumn Festival. As we know, the Mid-Autumn Festival is one of the best traditional festivals that are celebrated in China. It is also known as the Mooncake Festival. As you know, the mooncake is round and plump, which signifies family unity. In China, mooncakes are produced every year, but a fun fact is that it's not only produced domestically, but it is also exported internationally. Today, we are here at a factory to see how mooncakes are produced. Let's check it out, everyone. Follow me. Cantonese-style mooncakes produced in Zhongshan have a history of over 100 years. The earliest export records can be traced back to the 1950s and 1960s. For over a decade, Zhongshan has been exporting hundreds of tons of mooncakes annually to more than 30 countries and regions worldwide, making it the top exporter of mooncakes in China. Among them, Zhongshan Yifeng, Zhejuan Dihuang, Jushuanyuan are mooncake manufacturers with large export volumes. Today, I have come to the Zhongshan Yifeng Foodstuff Factory all the way in Gangkou town. And within this factory, they produce 400 tons of mooncakes per year, and half of them are sold internationally. As one of the representatives of the typical Cantonese-style mooncakes, Yifeng Mooncake Factory produces flavors such as the mooncake with double yolk and white lotus seed paste, as well as the red bean paste mooncakes. How awesome is that? So as we can see, we have the whole process of the mooncake making, and over here we have our lovely aunties who are helping to make the process go very, very smooth. And the one thing that I love the most is the safety. They're using their gloves. The process is so smooth. It is well known that mooncakes contain various animal and plant ingredients, and it has a very strict criteria for food quarantine when the mooncakes are exported. More than 30 safety indicators include pathogenic bacteria and additives must all meet the standards. How can we meet the export requirements while maintaining the flavor of the Cantonese-style mooncakes? The officers from Junction Customs are doing their routine production supervision at the foodstuff factory today. They told me that during the mooncake production season, they conduct risk controls on manufacturers from raw materials, processing procedures, product inspections to warehouses and transportation. They regulate and export mooncake quality and safety from the source. That is so safe and that is so awesome. Very good. So now I'm going to try the Shanghua Liangliang mooncake, and I can't wait to taste it. It's my first time cutting a mooncake, by the way, so let's go. Oh, wow, 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 wow. All right, and now it's time for me to taste. Ooh, wow, see the yolk. So fascinating. Are you ready? I'm ready. So mooncakes are not only a popular food for Zhongshan people during the Mid-Autumn Festival, but also a name card showcasing Zhongshan culinary culture to the world. When these mooncakes representing the flavors of hometown countries across the ocean and are shared by people from different countries, I believe they will feature a unique taste for the Mid-Autumn Festival, and I wish everybody a happy, happy Mid-Autumn Festival.